Hello, my name is Brian with Gooseneck Implement. As you can see, it's cloudy, the wind is blowing. It's about 40 degrees, it's getting colder. It's probably time we winterize this 412R sprayer. We'll start with the cleaning rinse with our erase, adding a little bit of defoamer, and then we'll do another rinse with our John Deere sprayer winterizer fluid. First, we want to make sure our sprayer is properly cleaned. After filling our rinse tank, add 1 quart of erase to the eductor for 50 gallons of rinse water used. Add a defoaming agent to ensure our rinse solution does not foam during the cleaning cycle. Before starting the rinse, don't forget to open the flow valves to ensure proper cleaning and winterization of the solution system. Begin the solution system rinse. This can be done at the Solution Command System keypad or inside the cab using your display. After the tank rinse has completed, enable the A+B method before spraying the cleaning solution out through the nozzle bodies. Perform an air purge and drain the solution tank, rinse tank, and strainers of rinse water. Next, we add 25 gallons of winterizer and 25 gallons of water to the rinse tank. Start a solution system rinse cycle, but hold off on completing the boom rinse. Before completing the boom rinse, we need to run the winterization solution through the eductor and agitation system for 1 minute. If sprayer is equipped, turn on product recirculation and run for 1 minute. If sprayer is equipped with a front fill, open hand valve and sump valve to flush out a small amount of winterization solution. Use the air handle to blow back solution into the tank. Now we can spray the winterization solution out the booms. Perform an air purge. Open fill valves and drain both the solution and rinse tank. Finally, be sure to drain all strainers.